I want to add some text that runs around the green circle of my graphic. I'm going to select the cedar tree layer. I'm going to use the options pop-up menu. I'm going to create a new layer, and I'm going to call this layer text around the top. I'm going to create my text so that it runs around the top of this graphic around the circle. I'm going to click OK. Now, to save me having to draw the circle again, I am going to unlock the background layer, select the circle. I want to make a copy of this circle that is onto the text around the top layer. Holding down the Option key or Alt key, I'm going to hover over this little highlighted red square. I'm going to drag upwards till I'm over top of the appropriate area in the text around the top layer and let go. That will make a perfect copy in exactly the same location. I'm going to lock my bottom two layers. So the only layer I can now target is the text around the top. To place the text around the top of the circle, I'm going to switch tools. I'm going to go and select my Type on a Path tool. Now, ironically, because I want the text to run around the top of the circle, I am going to hover towards the very bottom of the circle and click once. This by default will then put text around the outside of my circular shape. I can now type in the real text that I want. I'm going to type in the cedar tree. Now, at the moment my text is actually at the bottom. Now that is because it's orientated to the start of the path, which happens to be the bottom. I'm going to change the orientation so that my type, which I'm going to select, is ranged centered. I'm coming up into the control panel and I'm going to click the center option, the align center. My text then appears at the top of my circle. You'll notice that the circle itself has lost its attributes. The circle has now just become a path for the text to sit on.